Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming key prerequisites. Your Vivo is charged, unlocked, and on Wi-Fi. Make sure you know the Google account email and password. Once done, open Settings and tap Accounts or Users and Accounts. If you see multiple accounts, select the Google account you want removed. Make sure sync is off for that account so no mid-process activity interferes. This gets you immediately to the account details screen where the removal option appears. You now perform the detailed removal. In the account details screen, tap Remove Account and read the warning. It removes email, contacts, and app data. Next, confirm with your device lock method. This verifies you own the phone. If the phone asks for the Google account password for verification, enter it. If not, proceed. Make sure to wait while the system signs out and stops background sync. Do not force close settings during this process, because that can leave account remnants. You finish by rebooting the Vivo and returning to Settings accounts to confirm the Google account is gone. If removal failed, make sure Find My Device or Factory Protection features are off. Then try removing the account from My Account. Google.com under Security your devices. If the phone still shows the account, clear cache for Google Play and Google Play services, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip. If you encounter factory reset protection, you must sign in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.